The Porsche 993 is the internal designation for the Porsche 911 model manufactured and sold between January 1994 and early 1998, replacing the 964 model. Its discontinuation marked the end of air-cooled Porsches. The 993 was much improved over and quite different from its predecessor. According to Porsche, every part of the car was designed from the ground up, including the engine, and only 20% of its parts were carried over from the previous generation. Porsche refers to the 993 as a significant advance, not just from a technical, but also a visual perspective. Porsche engineers devised a new light alloy subframe with coil and wishbone suspension, putting behind the previous lift-off oversteer and making significant progress with the engine and handling, creating a more civilized car overall, providing an improved driving experience. The 993 was also the first 911 to receive a 6-speed transmission. The naturally aspirated version of the 993 Porsches horsepower ranged from 282 horsepower to the 3.8 liters 296 horsepower.